Hello guys. I'm Cito. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are upgrading our HDD and GPU. I pulled out this Seagate HDD from the older PC. It's 2 TB in size. We will be adding it to the newer PC with 250 GB to make a total of 2.2 TB. To install it, you have to insert the SATA cable from the PCB into the HDD by aligning the L shape to that on the HDD. As for the power cable, align the larger L shape to that on the HDD and gently push it until you hear the click sound. To remove the GPU, you push this part outward and gently pull the GPU out. This is the MSI GTX 750 Ti with 2 GB GDDR memory. Its TDP is less than 80 watts, so no external power required, and it won't require too much power from the power supply of 250 watts. It's got a DVI, VGA and HDMI port with no display port. To open it up, unscrew the screws on the PCB and don't forget to disconnect the fan connector. Now lift it up and place it on a non-metallic surface for thermal paste change and cleaning. Place a pea-sized thermal paste on the clean GPU and screw it back to the fan. To install it, you gently place it on the X16 slot and gently push it inward. Now let's see how fast the HDD is. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as I will be showing you how to add CGI to your videos the budget way. Thank you.